All right, we're on my floor again. Welcome back to my floor. Today we're gonna be doing something really fun. I've done this once before, and the reason I'm doing this is because I am moving out of my house into an apartment in 2 weeks. So basically I wanted to just kind of go through my closet. I really haven't cleaned out my closet in a while, and I know there's a ton of pieces in here that I have had in for literally so many years. Like, some of the stuff is probably from 7th grade, which is kind of alarming. I just want to feel inspired again with clothes, so I thought, why not just clean everything out, basically. Hopefully we can make some progress because I want to buy more clothes, so we need to make room for that. That's basically it. I'm just trying to, you know, make the move to my apartment a little bit easier and also declutter and kind of just revamp my space a little bit. It's just gonna be me, you, and this hefty pile of clothes on my floor. So with that being said, let's get started and let's build me a new closet. Also, if you want to follow my Instagram, it's right here. Ha ha ha. Okay, we're done with that. Also, coconut water, stay hydrated. I don't know if this actually hydrates you. I think it does, but like, I don't really know, you know? Let's get started. I don't really have a method of doing this. I mean, I do, but like, I don't. Basically, I'm gonna have 3 piles. The first pile is gonna be clothes that I'm keeping, clothes that bring me joy, clothes that inspire me, clothes that I love. You know, as Marie Kondo says, at least I think she says, clothes should bring you joy. Does she say that? Second pile is maybes. So basically anything that I need like more thought on because I like but I don't love, or clothes that are kind of boring right now and I think that I could revamp. But the third pile is gonna be clothes that I am selling or donating. I will probably donate a lot of the stuff, but also I'll try to sell it. So I will link my DEPOP down below, which I haven't sold stuff in so long, but also I haven't cleaned out my closet in so long, so kind of makes sense. But yeah, if you want to like buy any of these clothes, check them out. I'll link them down below. Let's just, I guess, get started. This pile of clothes isn't gonna move itself. Okay, dad jokes. I guess this is pile 1. We're gonna keep these. Honestly, I think I'm gonna maybe these. I like plaid, but I don't really know if it's my style anymore. So I guess the maybe is in the middle. These sweatpants right here are from Brandy Melville, but Brandy Melville is stupidly one size fits all, so I don't know how sweatpants can literally fit one leg size, but apparently they think that it can. Yeah, they're cute, but like my legs are really long, so they don't fit my legs and they fit really awkwardly. But I think what I'm gonna do is put these in the maybe and then hem them to make them like sweat shorts so they can actually fit my legs. These, which may be to your surprise, is a no. These are Levi's 501 shorts. They just don't fit me right. Like, seriously, they don't look good on me. They're too short. I've never been able to fit into 501s because my my Georgia girl came out right there. Oh my god. Anyways, they don't flatter me personally. So yeah, we're gonna no these. This is actually my first no, and I decided the no is going on my bed because I have no more. That wasn't funny. I have no more floor room. I got this from a thrift store and like it's cute, but it's kind of weird, you know? But like it's kind of fun, you know? I kind of like it. I want to keep it. It's weird, but I want to keep it. I think it's fun for some reason. This is a definite yes. These are maybe because I don't really wear skinny jeans. This is gonna be a no. I bought this actually in a Thrift With Me video in Barcelona. It's cute, but like I've worn this once and it was literally to like a rodeo party thing. So like, yeah, no. I think this is a no. Well, maybe it, We're gonna know these shorts from Zara. I like them, but I don't know. I guess we'll maybe these. Okay, so after all of that, here's the aftermath. A lot of the clothes I'm keeping just because I'm indecisive. But honestly, a lot of these clothes I do like and wear, so that is a good thing. As you can tell, the maybe is also pretty big. I'm really indecisive, so it's hard for me to get rid of clothes. These are like the hard nose, like literally never wear, never gonna wear. So definitely gonna be doing something with those. Now it is time to try on all the maybes and see what I think. So let's do that. So it's a couple hours later. I just tried on all that stuff. Here is all the stuff I'm getting rid of. It's honestly, it's like a pretty decent amount of stuff. But right now, I am gonna be using my new hangers that I got, like the bougie velvet ones. Let me get this box and then I'll explain in a second. Oh my god, this is gonna fall. Now that that's done, let me explain. So basically, I got a bunch of new hangers because before I was just using like the clunky plastic ones. I just got these. I got these like 50 slimline hangers. Those come with 50. I don't think that's gonna be enough, but if it's not, then I'll just go to Target tomorrow. I don't know why I'm winded. Basically just gonna be putting everything on the hangers. I don't know, the velvet ones that I just showed you, I feel like work better, and like I said, they conserve a lot of space. So we're gonna be putting those on and hopefully making my closet look beautiful. So I'm trying to open this. I'm gonna start hanging everything up. Also, I have like a few hangers over there, but welcome back to day 3 organizing. I guess welcome to the vlog now. I don't know, whatever. I honestly just didn't feel like putting on makeup, so this is what we're dealing with today. Last thing before I pick up all of these hangers on the floor, because there's a lot, I found this bin in the back of my closet. So basically what I'm gonna do is put all the clothes in the maybe pile, like the clothes that I wanted to hem, so like the shorts, and put them in here so it's a little bit more organized. And then somehow figure out what to do with those, because I really don't know, but we'll figure it out. Cue the time lapse. So I folded all the stuff that I am gonna sell on my Depop, and then the rest of it I'm just gonna donate to a Goodwill. So yes. Okay, so here is my new and improved closet. Okay, so you walk in and I actually color-coded everything, which is, I don't know, it's probably not necessary, but I think it looks better. And then up here, it looks way less messy. I should have done a before shot, but I just forgot, so sorry, but this is an after. I have all my folded denim, and then up here, I have my pants on this very handy-dandy pants hanger right here. And then I have my dresses, and then going this way, 2 jackets. So yeah, it's definitely not like the biggest change. And then also ignore this, but I just have all my sweatshirts hanging up. And then if you look in here, everything is like perfectly organized and folded, because now everything isn't so cluttered and it looks a lot better. Also over there, I have that bin of things that I need to hem, and then I just have like a bag. So yeah, here it is, a lot less cluttered. This is like a realistic approach to organization, because I mean, it's not like drastic, but it looks better, and that's what we wanted, so. But anyways, that is the video. What once was an organizing video is now a vlog, but you know what, that's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it inspired you to, get rid of your old clothes that don't inspire you anymore. Because honestly, now that I have a closet full of things that I actually really love, I've probably said this about a million times before in my other video, but I feel more inspired to be creative with what I wear. And also it just looks better, honestly. So yeah, that's the beauty of organizing. Also, it just looks pretty now that it's organized, but I bet you in about a month, everything's gonna be on the floor again. So let's cross our fingers that that doesn't happen, but you know, no promises. I like organizing, but like I'm bad at keeping things organized. Anyways, I had a lot of fun making this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry I look like this. Just kidding, I'm not gonna apologize. It's hot girl summer, so love yourself. But anyways, I love you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.